the veil was taken from our minds.
I have accepted this house, and my name shall be here, and I will manifest myself to my people in mercy in this house.
And Moses appeared unto us, and committed unto us the keys of the gathering of Israel. After this, Elias appeared, and committed the dispensation of the gospel of Abraham. After this vision had closed, another great and glorious vision burst upon us. Elijah the prophet.
Therefore, the keys of this dispensation are committed into your hands.
Baptism for the dead was much dwelt upon. The absolute necessity of the completion of the temple, that the ordinances might be administered to the living, and through the living, for the dead. I ask, who understood anything about these things until Joseph, being inspired from on high, touched the key and unlocked the door of these mysteries of the kingdom?
The Apostle Paul has written, "Neither is the man without the woman, neither the woman without the man in the Lord."
It was Joseph Smith who taught me how to prize the enduring relationships of father and mother, husband and wife, of brother and sister, son and daughter, and that the refined sympathies and affections which endeared us to each other emanated from the foundation of eternal love. It was from him we learned that we might cultivate these affections and grow and increase in the same to all eternity, while the result of our endless union would be an offspring as numerous as the stars of heaven.